Good day, everyone. Learn how to make a graph in Google Sheet. So it will be a very easy process. So I'll open my browser, and whatever the graph you want to create, you need to select the area and the things you want in the graph. Let's say this is the thing which I wanted. So I'll simply select it and I'll go to insert, and then we have this option called chart. We will click on that, and the moment we click on that, you will find the chart is created. You can drag and drop and adjust the size and place it wherever you want to. And if you want to change the chart style, you just need to do a double click on that, and here you can change it by simply clicking on customize what exactly you want to. I'll just do it a double click again, and here we have the chart editor. Now once you're here, once you do the double click, then go to setup, and to change the chart type from here you can change it to whatever you want to, like this, or if you want it in line you can try that. And this is really very easy to create the chart in Google Sheets. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.